Hello there guys. Okay, I want to look at an error provider and show you guys how to work with an error provider. The thing is that we need to have let's say a text box and a button. Alright, and then an error provider, which is a component. So it'll be under components and our error provider. Okay, so you can see at the bottom of our project, it provides an error provider there. Okay, it's got its own icon, which is the flashing icon, and a blink rate of 250. Okay, so what does the error provider do? The error provider allows you to show an end user that there's a problem with whatever they've entered. So let's say, for instance, I want to enter a number into this text box and my user enters text, then that'll be a problem. So for us to indicate that there's a problem, we can use an error provider. So to use the error provider, we go to our code and say me.errorProvider1.setError, and the first thing we need to do is tell it which control the error must point out, and this will be me.textbox1. Alright, and then the value a string, which is please enter a number. Okay, so to ensure that it only shows the error when there is an error, we need to put an if statement. If me.textbox1.text, it is if not is numeric, me.textbox1.text, then okay, so if my text box value is not numeric, then it will put an error provider. Okay, else me.errorProvider.setError me.textbox1, and it'll be a string empty. Okay, but now we need to kick out when there's an error, so return. Alright, so what happens here is, if there's not a numeric value in my text box, then the error provider will set an error that says please enter a number. It'll then kick out so the user can rectify that. Otherwise, error provider would set the error as nothing. So let's test that. Okay, so I'm going to go AS, and you can now see the blink rate, and it says enter a number. Alright, but if I take it out and go 1, which is a number, it'll then take it away. And a number, it'll take it away. Even if you have a number in between, it'll still given, because that is still classed as a string. Alright, so I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please post them. Any questions, email me. Thank you very much.